Today we're diving into the essential workshop stations that make woodworking a breeze. First up, we have the cutting station. This is where the magic begins, with tools like the table saw, circular saw, and miter saw, ready to make precise cuts for your projects. Whether you're slicing through large boards or making delicate angled cuts, the cutting station has you covered. Next we have the shaping station, equipped with the router table, and handheld planer. Here you can add intricate details and smooth contours to your woodworking creations. From decorative edges to perfectly flattened surfaces, the shaping station allows you to unleash your creativity and take your projects to the next level. Now let's talk about the joinery station. With tools like the pocket hole jig, doweling jig, and biscuit joiner, you can create strong, seamless connections between pieces of wood. Whether you're building a cabinet, a table, or a piece of furniture, the joinery station ensures that every joint is precise and secure. And here we have the clamp champ station, where the real magic of assembly happens. With an array of clamps, a trusty nail gun, and plenty of wood glue, you can bring your woodworking projects together with ease. From tabletops to bookshelves, the clamp champ station ensures that every piece fits together perfectly, ready to withstand the test of time. Moving on to the finishing station, where your woodworking creations truly come to life. With tools like the paint sprayer, stain and finish brushes, and sanding sealer, you can add the perfect final touches to your projects. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern look or a rustic, handcrafted feel, the finishing station helps you achieve the perfect aesthetic for your woodworking masterpieces. And there you have it, folks. With these essential workshop stations at your disposal, you'll be well equipped to tackle any woodworking project with confidence and precision.